Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, founded in 1924 by Dr. Hedgewar in Nagpur, today serve as one of the largest voluntary organizations in the country. This organization terms itself as a cultural organization working to unite the Hindu Samaj and unity of the country. Over the years, the nature and influence of RSS, also famously called Sangh, in the Indian politics majorly due to BJP in power for over a decade at the center, we will be exploring the influence of RSS and its sister organization in the Indian politics ahead. Today isn't just Sangh but has grown to become Sangh Parivar, and its members are present in nearly every social sector or part of the society and work to present the Hindu nationalistic model for the particular societal group, starting from ABVP for students, Bharatiya Majdoor Sangh for worker, Purva Sainik Parishad for ex-servicemen, Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram for tribal welfare, Adhivakta Parishad for lawyers, and more than 50 such organizations. RSS serve as the philosopher and guide for these organizations and provide advice and support when required. Sunil Ambekar, the National Organizing Secretary of RSS, described how the coordination of Samanvay works between these sister organizations. If any coordination is required, Sangh communicates through Swayamsevak, working in these organizations through advice. When a need for a new organization arises, RSS send a pracharak to set up the organization, and further, when the organization is self-reliant, it's expected to mentor its own cadre and full-timers. This network can even ask for individual from some other organization of the Parivar for a special assignment when needed. Here RSS act as a noble approval body. Youth Against Corruption YAC was on the forefront in 2014 to make the youth aware of the corruption scam of then UPA government. It used social media very extensively, and this complemented the campaign of the first time PM candidate who was also building up the same issue. Youth felt very attached to this campaign and provided great support to this. But here is a link. Yes, the RSS link. YAC was an initiative of ABVP, the student affiliate of RSS. From a student's perspective, YAC was just a youth-driven modern age campaign along with social media. But very few know that YAC is an offshoot of ABVP, which is a part of the Sangh Parivar. This is how the Sampark works by the Sangh Parivar, where the sister organization don't indulge in direct politics but engage in the issue that run parallel to BJP, and as Mohan Bhagwat said, जो फायदा उठा सकता है उठाता है और जो नहीं ले पाता वो रह जाता है. BJP in the 2024 Lok Sabha election couldn't cross the 400 seat target, but in the assembly election of Maharashtra registered the best performance. But what changed in some months? Reports say that the support of RSS has played an important role in both these performances, wherein during the Lok Sabha, BJP's national president comment of "Ab hame RSS ki zarurat nahi padti" showed BJP's dare of aiming 400 on its own and with less RSS support, whereas during Maharashtra Assembly election, BJP got its lesson and asked for RSS support on the social front and made itself busy on the political front. Post-result, Dr. Atul Limai, an engineer pracharak of RSS from Nasik, came out as a master strategist who worked closely with BJP leadership and worked majorly to pacify the Maratha leaders and build more trust in Marathas and OBC to get combined votes for the Mahayuti. Such is the Samanvay or coordination between RSS and sister organization. These are not just limited to election, but their performance is more highlighted and fruitful in the election season. Bharatiya Majdoor Sangh today hold 44 federation and 5,300 worker union along its research unit like Bharatiya Shram Shodh Mandali, Pune and more in Delhi and Ernakulam. ABVP credit itself for introduction of NEET and its program of Narmada cleaning has had a significant impact. Its movement for Amarnath Shrine Board, even when it required to support a leader from non-RSS background, shows that Sangh Parivar made itself as dialogue assets of society and act as a conveyor belt of the Sangh ideas in the society, which benefits every member of the Sangh Parivar to reach its social political goal. In conclusion, Sangh Parivar may not see itself as a pressure group, but has established an ecosystem of individuals with core different academic and professional backgrounds, but bind it together with Hindu nationalist ideas, which serve the larger goal of the ancient ideas in a modern Bharat. At last, this power of organization and human training gives the confidence to RSS to achieve the idea of Sangh Banega Samaj.